Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can easily add Modal to your Elementor website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just install this plugin called HT Mega Absolute Add-ons for Elementor Page Builder. Just search it in plugins in your WordPress. And when you will have it, just click plus here and in Elements write Modal. Just take it and paste it to your Elementor widget area. And now let's just go and let's change the style and let's put it to the middle. Now you can like edit the whole media here. So let's say that I'm going to delete this. I will add a picture of, I don't know, maybe like this one here, insert into the post. Now when we have it, let's also add it to the middle. We have the visual. You can also add a text if you want to, or Elementor template. You can change the header content if you want to, footer text, and change the button, and also like change the, like you see it here. Now you see the style here. You can really play around with everything here that you want to. Footer, button, change the width here, icon space. Yep, this is what I was looking for. Nice. You can change the typography here. So make it bigger. And when I'm going to preview it, and I'm going to click on Modal Design, we see it here. And you can change everything here. So this is how you do it. And this is how you add Modal to your Elementor website. Thank you everybody very much for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. Thank you everybody. Have a great day and goodbye.